Hello everyone. So today in this video, we are going to cover securely managing secrets in Terraform. So when working with Terraform to build infrastructure, you will often need to pass sensitive information like API keys, database passwords, and access tokens. But here's a problem. Hard coding secrets in your Terraform files is unsafe and can lead to accidental leaks, especially when your code is version controlled like on GitHub. So if you see the prerequisites, you need an AWS account, AWS CLA configured, Terraform install, and IAM user with access to SSM parameter store. So in the method one, we'll use AWS SSM parameter store. So as this is the safest way to store and access secrets in Terraform. So in the step one, we'll create a secret in SSM parameter store by using this command as this stores your password securely in AWS. So here I'll use this command. So if you see here, this is the database password and this is the password of the database here. So click on enter. So it is done now. So in the second step, we'll create the Terraform file, which is main.tf. So I'll create a folder called Terraform secrets here. So in this, I'll create the main.tf. So in the main.tf, I'll use this code. So here, provider is AWS, region is AP South 1, and we are taking the password from this AWS SSM parameter here. So in the output, we'll get the database password as output. So here we give sensitive equal to true. So in the output, we'll get the password as sensitive. So I'll show you just now. So after giving the main.tf, we have to run Terraform. So first we have to run Terraform init. So now we have to run the Terraform plan, or I'll directly use apply. So yes. So here you can see we got the database password as output here, but the case is sensitive. So that's how you can use the AWS SSM parameter here. So we won't see the secret in the output because we gave the sensitive as true. So here also you can use the method 2 by using the environment variables here. We can also pass secrets using environment variables, which is handy for local use. So in the step 1, we'll set a variable in terminal. So here I'll export the password. For that, I'll run the Terraform distro. This is okay. So now I'm exporting the database password here by using this command. So now in the step 2, let's create a variable.tf file. So create the variable.tf file and paste this code here. So here I gave the variable as database password. So I gave this sensitivity as true. So I'll save it here. And also we have to update the main.tf here. So we are using variables instead of SSM. So go to the main.tf. So give this environment variable in the main.tf. After that, save it. So now we have to run the Terraform init and apply here. So here the Terraform init is done. Now I'll run the Terraform apply. Type S and press on enter. So here you can see the environment password, which is case sensitive. So we can see the password. So that's how we can protect the passwords in the Terraform by using the AWS SSM parameter here. So again, your secret won't be displayed. So that's how these things works. So for the best practices, we have to use sensitive as true to hide secrets from CLI output. Use SSM parameter store or secrets manager or vault from Terraform also. You can use TFVAR to load secrets from environment variables also. And finally, use remote backends like S3 plus KMS for encrypting state files. So there are some things which you don't do also. So first one is hardcode secrets in .tf or .tfr files. You should not store the secrets in these two files. So you should not commit secrets to Git also, and should not share an unencrypted state files also. So here in the conclusion, managing secrets is one of the most important aspects of writing secure Terraform code. So in this video, we learned how to store secrets using SSM parameter store and how to use environment variables to keep sensitive data out of your code. We also explored simple but essential security best practices. By following these steps, you can ensure your infrastructure remains safe, secure, and professionally managed. So this is about securely managing secrets in Terraform. So that's it for today. So yeah, thank you.